Hello guys.
Today we're gonna try all of my heart.
Yes,
Hat.
I will put all the hat of my anak and you're gonna see all of her hat.
That's why just Kuya, I'm just looking at it.
Okay. Hat number 1. What's this?
Koala. Koala with the braids. Here, Daddy.
Okay. Hat number 2 with a lot of spider web.
Ah.
Hat number 2.
Is
What's
it
that?
pretty or not?
You are pretty.
Here, Daddy.
Hat number 3.
Hat number 3. Strawberry hat.
Oh, hat
Hat
number
number
4.
4.
It's a lot of spider web. Spider web.
See that, my daddy?
It's a spider web hat.
Oh my. This is a bear
I
hat.
don't like that.
Ew,
So,
ew, ew.
Hat number 5. What is bonnet number 5?
No, this is a winter. Done.
Oh, this one is cute. Yeah, that's cute.
Paw Patrol hat. Paw Patrol, Paw Patrol. I'm just kidding. That's my mirror.
Okay. Another type of hat.
Hello Kitty hat.
Okay, thank you. That's done.
That's done.
There's one more pala.
2 more.
There's 2 more pala according to my baby. What's this? It is a
Penguin.
penguin. I thought it's a dolphin. And
I'm a
lastly,
penguin.
cat. Katat. It's a katat. It's for
So
winter.
cozy. And that is the end of our video. See
Thank you.
next time. Bye.
Bye.